like me. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My opening comments are Rick does not like me, but he's alright.
I'll get back to that further on.
Further on in the news, yes. So thank you for joining us today.
Mm-hmm.
I feel I feel really excited.
Wow.
I don't know why, but
You know, I
when
feel that way, but I can't even say what I feel.
Is it a nice feeling?
It's not really nothing bad, but because of this a current climate now, if I say people don't say me I catch
All right,
corona.
moving right along. Something is happening, and ladies and gentlemen, he's choking, but it's not COVID.
It's
all
not
right.
COVID.
But yes, so we want to welcome each and every one of you that are tuned in on Facebook,
Yep.
on the TGM Radio app,
Yep.
on YouTube. You know, we're streaming on multiple platforms. We are the Upnlive Show team. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by Shushprint, and we are produced by World Mag. Yeah, so tell a friend, share the link,
Yes.
you know, like it up and join the conversation and come all a vibe with we. So we
Talk your mind, you know?
talk your
Simple
mind
stuff.
in essence. That's it. We've now gone uncensored
Of course.
for nearly a year.
So if you hear one little
If you hear something,
swear word come out, Jamaica like call it bad word.
bad word, but
Nobody get shocked, you know?
yes.
Because, you know, we passed that
we're,
taboo
we're,
stage.
we're moving with the times, isn't it?
Exactly.
So yes, we have a number of special guests that are waiting in the green room, waiting to come and have a chat with us and have a chat with you too. But we don't know how we do it. How was your weekends?
You know the weekend slap way?
It was
Weekend, alright
It was-
still.
It's a good weekend. Can't complain.
Sunday night, I'm my best night.
well, wait. We have to start from Thursday. Big up Mama Bird
Yeah.
and the team that
Yeah.
hosted, you know, that family fun day on Thursday. It was a good look. People
And the
came
people
out.
come out early
People
from
came
Mama
out
Bird.
early. Came out to support.
Mama Bird, big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
No know what kind of formula you use, but you get the people them out early on Thursday as well.
Upcoming promoters link up Mama Bird and get the formula because
Mama Bird have a
she
formula.
did wonders on a Thursday evening. A lot of people were out and they were out until late until they moved to our next venue.
Yes.
And it still happened. Let's move on to Friday. Friday was just a easy vibe, chill vibe, and it would
No, big up people I'm going to style G thing, you don't
yes,
know? Yeah.
Stylo G's breakfast VIP breakfast and brunch event. It was more than a good look. People turned out 9 o'clock in the morning.
His Sunday look too hard for me.
Sunday look up, but it was a good vibe. It was
Boy,
a good
Rick,
vibe.
where are they? A bleach?
No, but you know, me
They
a
are
man.
far
that-
too long for start bleach, you know?
No, what
Jaja.
bleaching I go? Me a man, me not too like the sun, you know, brother. That's why I left Jamaica now.
What make?
Because I
I
see him,
can't
so
take
him
too
do
much of
it.
his sun, man. You know where go, man.
He might use Stylo G
Turn it
lyrics.
down. When me there at Jamaica, me staying until about 2:30, you know.
Boy.
Me a night creature. Me not like me like the feeling of the sun, yes.
But
Don't
you
get me
know-
wrong.
But you
But
know,
when
like
you
the
get-
bun up.
Look on my forehead. Look on my forehead right now. Right now my forehead black at daytime.
Oh God.
Come
gosh.
work in the
Gosh.
sun.
Oh,
And it beat me wicked, man. So,
Jaja. When I take some of that Sunday, you know, because I feel the sun over hot.
eh?
Me can't just see it shine, but to me, you don't really feel hot.
Yeah, joke, man. You're inside, man. You're
No,
a caveman, man.
you see when you're there at Jamaica, sometimes we sun hot, tar, a bubble.
I'll
can
pass.
see
So,
eat way from out there. So yeah, and then Saturday we went over to where did we go on Saturday?
we'll go
We never
Bag
really
of
go nowhere.
thing.
Yeah, we go a bag of things, touch a couple places, and then on Sunday
Went to
came
possibly
Hustle. Can't get one effects for
East,
possibly please.
East versus South, the clash.
Me not hear nothing.
Nah, you know what on the dragon. Yeah, nah, yeah.
Came possible East versus South musical clash. Cause I mean when I deal with the war thing. Listen,
You know,
me
all of
now.
them are my friend.
Listen, me now,
Listen, I
man.
talk the truth still.
Yeah.
But
Listen,
what you say?
the event was a success. Like all her past Sunday,
Yeah.
Igloo 2 meters and Igloo parties. Kim Possible's event was nice. And you know, when you know something, I got advocate for the clean up people them. Like before the party done, me say a clean up team, a clean up. Yes.
Yes.
That is what we need. We need more of these clean up people at these events. So Kim Possible, big up yourself. It was a good look, Rick.
No, I'm just saying that if people don't understand what it was basically a clash.
Yeah.
East London versus South London.
DJs, right?
DJs, right? So on one side they have Gangsta Kid, they have Archangel, they have DJ Juvenile. Next
So
side
World,
they
World
have
Power. Don't forget World Power.
World Power, yeah. World Power, yes. And
Oh,
next side they have what are them name? Liar Squad,
Liar Squad.
Andrew Fresh. Who else done them?
It was only two.
Also two of them.
Yeah,
But
only two.
that's the only fault me having a lineup.
There weren't many South South
I
DJs.
feel like one more person should add to the lineup.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah.
Where's like a Crystal Blue Zone or a World Boss Lizard?
Yeah, We did
I think it's one more somebody need to add to the South lineup.
Because
Then-
you can't
It
say
wasn't balanced.
you can't say Andrew run out of steam
And-
because Ian Archangel deal with Andrew
Andrew
Fresh
Fresh.
wicked. One at a time because the color scheme was yellow versus
No, it was green versus blue.
And when me forward in the party, me
Blue.
think I just one channel because I be a blue me I say.
yeah.
Only one me say loyal to the green was movie star Johnny.
Him no big channel no change, bro. God.
Big up Johnny. Johnny
Big up
never-
yourself.
You know, Johnny, boy, you look
yeah,
like you look
yeah.
something on the headphone.
Never
look
did
off,
it
you know?
It couldn't change.
Yeah,
it.
and change.
But yeah, Johnny loyal still. Big up
Yeah,
yourself, movie star Johnny.
Yeah.
But yes.
But that's the next thing we want to see. I didn't want to see Johnny. You have
Johnny
to take a
was-
yellow card, you know.
Yeah.
You should have go jump in
If it's so,
and collab with Andrew Fresh. Because we now do it from what they are.
And they have
Yeah.
a
It
good
think kinda
syn-
look good.
They have a chemistry.
synergy, alright.
Yeah, the chemistry
Fresh
is there
jump in
between
and
the
go do a
two.
thing.
Yeah. But I mean, yeah, so that
Some
happened.
movies are Johnny, will I yellow card there, sir?
Yellow card, not red.
Yeah, so that's how we wrapped up or we started the weekend, started the new week, depending on how you look at the week. If it's end on a Sunday or you start on a Monday. So yes, that is what happened. Any hot topics for you guys?
There's nothing really.
There's
that-
one topic.